Hi all, good evening for Indian time people. Very good morning for EST viewers. So back again on chimpanzee charts, Smijo here. So right now today, I'm not starting with cryptocurrency. So today I'm planning to start on gold market. So if you would have noticed my earlier videos, either yesterday or day before yesterday, yesterday's video was very bad because of audio. Apologies for that. I try to correct my audios in my future videos. And I will keep on saying on gold like it is trying to get support at 1792, and I draw this line yesterday saying that it might go up. So if you see, it have happened exactly. So this type of push is needed for gold to go to the previous June high, June or May high. So it's like $1908, which is like if it comes $1908 uh, in this chart, or Indian price of gold for 10 gram will be around like 52,000 rupees. So I'm expecting this should happen if gold manages to push above and closes above this level. I think we are further going up. So we can see a target of 2029, maybe $100 push. It will help us to go gold to go above like around 60K for 10 grams. So these are my right now the predictions for gold. So as I was saying, like for past few days, because every day I used to see gold chart, I used to trade this one. So this is what it happened. As I was keep on saying, my earlier videos, if you see ATMA, this green line, as simple as that. This green line, as simple as that. Crossing below this red line, that is 200 EMA, we got a price correction for gold, and sarcastic RSI went down, RSI went down into a bearish phase, and it is above 40 or 50. It's a very good place to buy on. If RSI is above 40 or 50, we can place a buy. But issue is like sarcastic RSI again went up, and we had a small correction, and gold is trying to close above. If it is close, if today's candle like till 7 hours 23 minutes is there, if if today's candle crosses about 200 EMA, it's a very good sign, and a crossover of this 80 EMA above this, all these moving averages will push gold to 1908. So that is my target. So, and Bollinger Bands are slightly getting skewed. Some more, I think if this could happen, this could have a volatility either upside or downside. But if it happens on upside, I can see a very good target of 1908 May high or more than that for gold. Okay, let's get back into BTC USDT chart. Okay, what is happening? So yesterday I was saying BTC went all the way to 4800 yesterday, and I was saying that it is somewhat giving a doji candle, which is like a indecisive candle where we can't able to take a decision whether it is going down or going up. But one good thing is like uh, there was a very small correction, and that too above the top of the Bollinger Band. So we don't want to panic. And even today it is forming a doji candle, and BTC is again second time this is within this week, like 26, 28, and 29. Within last 4 days, BTC touched 4500 mark three times. So bulls are playing. I think bulls have more control, but we need to wait and see, because this is like major what to say resistance. If it is breaking, I think we are going to 43, 44, 400 for sure. uh, and all this moving averages looks good. We should not come down. even if we come down, it's a good thing. We can come down and test this 36,885. For a healthy market, it can happen where people try to take profit, again buy at a low price, and it can go up like this, somewhat like this. So, well, again, I would say, since it's a doji candle, wait for like still 10 more hours are there. Wait for 10 more hours, and we can take a very good decision. If market falls, it can fall because ATMA is around 37,133, so it can come and touch this 37,250 or 37,300 mark, and in upcoming days it can slightly go up. But since these two candles looks like doji candle, I won't say it's exact doji candle, it looks like doji candle, but we can wait and see how market goes. So this is with respect to BTC USDT. So next thing we will check on BNB coin. BNB was looking interesting for past few days. Why? Because of this thing. If you see day before yesterday's video, I would have told BNB can hit a target of 334 and 370 subsequently, and I would have also told it all depends on BTC. If there is no volume on BTC or spike in BTC price, this is not going to happen. We need this needs to be happen if BTC breaks above 4500. If BTC breaks above 4500, obviously this ATMA will try to cross all these congested moving averages, and it will give you a quick response where we can reach this target quickly, like easy 18 percentage. What I was saying yesterday, maybe I can again show you guys. Let's see from here how much percentage. 18.61 percentage. It's a very good trade. No one gives 18 percentage, but we need to see, wait and see BTC price, and it need to break that 4500. That's the reason for past 4 days, whenever BTC cross that 4500, all these coins are just consolidating around that area. Like if you take BNB, for past 3 days it went to 313, 313, 313, 313. All these 4 days it was on 313 to 315 mark. One day exceptional, it went and hit the resistance of 324 and it came back in. So but we can wait. So this is like crucial thing we need to watch on BNB coin. And next one we can check on dot USDT. Dot, same, yesterday's candle got closed above ATMA, good sign. Today's candle needs to close above ATMA, it's a good sign. But if it closes above 34 EMA, it's a very good sign. Thing is that we are going upwards. So for all this move, and if you see ATMA, all this candle closed for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 days. 1 2 3, it closed above ATMA for continuous 8 days. So if BTC falls, and if this support fails, if closes below like 13.50 today or tomorrow, it is a reversal pattern. So we need to wait and see. And RSI is not overbought, it's just above 50. I think it's a good sign. Above 50 is kind of a bullish thing. Bullish thing is it's time to buy or something like that. But we can wait and see how BTC reacts. So if it crosses over 34 EMA and 50 EMA, we are at we can see like $16 and $22 eventually in future. This horizontal resistance, we can in future we can get into those price. So this is for dot. Let's get into Cardano ADI USDT pair. ADI USDT, it just closed on 34 EMA, and we are getting a hammer candle today. If it is a hammer candle, I would say you can see kind of a hanging man. they would say bearish. But if it is a hanging man on the top, it is bearish. But we need to see top. We should not see top like that. We need to see the entire chart and check whether it is an hanging man. But it's not a it's not a reversal candle. There are chances where hanging man, if a hanging man comes, it can go up, and there are chances it can come down also. So we need a green candle today for ADA to make sure that we are at least reaching to 1.433. We need a green candle today. We need a good volume green candle. But issue is like sarcastic RSI is showing 95. You can see here 92. It came down all the way down and closed below 200 EMA. But as BTC pushed, this also carried away that pump and it went all the way 8 days up. So this needs to be noted. If not, I think we might fall and test this previous lows. This is on ADA. Let's see Rune. I am not sure whether you guys did enter on Rune because there was some issue with Rune where there was some hack happened like last week, and people were price was keep on dropping. But if you see on Rune, it closed above this Bollinger Band on 20th, and it got consolidated at the same price literally for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that means people don't want to let the Rune price below 3.50. Okay, so if you see exact point of Rune, what happened? If you see this one, support 3.50, people don't want Rune to go below 3.50. So these are the some things where we need to get noticed. Maybe I will save this one. Anything below this is kind of a I will mark it as red. So anything below 3.50, if Rune crosses, we need to be a little bit careful. And see, so you got like almost 7 days of chance to buy Rune. If you calculate the percentage, it went up like 68%. Just if you guys would have traded just based on this moving averages, taking profit at 8 EMA and taking profit at 20, taking profit at 34, taking profit at 50. These are the 4 things you just need to follow. Buy at 3.50 on a low and follow this stuff. You could have easily made profit. So Rune had a very good volume today, especially after 26th of July, after that Amazon FUD. This volume looks good, and this is a bullish candle. I'm seeing a target of 6.73. If nothing happens to BTC, if something happens to BTC and BTC falls, again this volume, everything will go down. So but if you are not looking into BTC and we are just looking into Rune, this is a very good bullish candle, and there are chances we can push up to 6.58 maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. If it manages to cross the 6.58, the next will be like this 200 EMA 7.84. So these are the 2 things I'm seeing. So these kind of trades would have made us a lot of money. If it have made like 10x leverage on the 68% trade, it's like 680%. So $1,000, if you have invested $100, you could have made like $680 easily. So that is the main thing on Rune. I'm just saving this chart. Maybe we can use it for future references. Okay. Next thing is like we can check on AXS. AXS was interesting today. See, it's just consolidating on the same price for like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, almost 7 days. We need to wait and see. A close below 8 EMA will push the price down to this 20 EMA like $27, or if this didn't withhold, I'm seeing a target of 24.20 in the near term. If prices be something, if we had a sell off, I'm seeing a sell off coming here, and RSI also, if you see, we had 80 and it came down and it is coming down. Price is also declining, so we need to wait and see whether we can get a target of 24. So that is on AXS. Next we can see some Indian Reliance. I think today Indian market had a better. We will check Nifty. Nifty. Okay. Yesterday, I'm not sure the audio was clear. I was saying that this is kind of a we closed. We had a week below 50 EMA. This is a kind of a warning sign, but people capitulated on that, and it went and closed above 34 EMA. That is a good sign. As far as yesterday, it's a good sign, but this is a warning sign. We need to be very careful on trading Nifty. Why? Because either we need to have a very good volume to push this chart up and close above this 8 EMA, but today we again closed below this 8 EMA, even though exactly we closed below this 8 EMA. Maybe I can zoom it out. If you see here, we just, it's like 90 percentage we closed below 8 EMA. I'm feeling little bit bearish on Nifty. If this kind of candle comes, because tomorrow is Friday, people will try to sell and book profits whatever they made it today, because this is a indecisive candle. It's a doji candle, so people will try to either sell or buy. 50, there are chances it can go 50% up, 50% down, or it can be called a spinning top candle or whatever it is. So better to be on safer side. Tomorrow we need to check and see whether we are getting a red candle. If there is a red candle, I am seeing a bearish pattern for Nifty next week, or after in the mid of next week. So, and a close below this 34 EMA, obviously I am feeling a risk on Nifty. Let's see Reliance Industry. Okay, as I was keep on saying, 200 EMA will get supported. I told like 2 to 3 times. Whenever we saw Reliance charts yesterday and day before yesterday, I told people will trade on 200 EMA and it can bounce back. It bounced back, but major thing is like it got rejected on 8 EMA resistance. So we need to be very careful on Reliance for long options, or if you are buying on, and if you are thinking that Reliance went down from 2100 to 2053, it's like 2.5% move and all those things, better be careful. I'm seeing a downside for Reliance. Let me check on ITC. Okay. Oh wow, ITC same, it closed below all these moving averages today, and it is 206. So experts were saying it might go to 240 when they saw this reversal, but it didn't happen. So these kind of candles, in if you see these type of candles, okay, it close below the Bollinger Band. If you started trading from here, I could in my first video or second video, I think I could have told you guys to take profit at 6%. You can check that video and cross verify. 6% is a good profit. You can take. I would have told the same way. So this is what happened for ITC. So what I'm expecting is all these 3 candles are bearish candle, except this one is like a spinning top. This is what it has happened for Nifty today. Spinning top is like there are chances 50% it can go up, 50% it can come down. Today it came 100% down. So you see for Nifty, if this moving average, if this 50 moving average crosses this particular area tomorrow, and it will get supported by 200 EMA, that is $203. But if Nifty continues to fall, price of ITC will be downward. So that is the main thing. So just over trades ITC. Basically everything depends on Nifty. Okay, so Uh, Basically, everything depends on Nifty, so be careful. Let me delete this. Okay, fine. I'll delete it after some time. So, if you want any other cryptocurrency charts, mm, let's see. Do we have any? Okay, I think no. Mm, let's see ICP. It's kind of a, it came 90 percentage down when BTC corrected. So those are the type of coins we need to check. Sometimes it can go up drastically. Why I'm saying, oh my god, why I'm saying it's 90 percentage down is like I can show you guys easily. Okay, it went all the way. Maybe I'm not taking ICP. Uh, Pop. Let me take on who. Okay. Uh, okay. ICP, it went all the way to $350. Okay. 92 percentage down, and now it is moving up. Okay, moving up is fine. So now we need to see whether it is really moving up or okay. So it closed about ETMA for one day, rejected at 34, rejected at 34, rejected at 34, and okay. I think ICP is like bearish stuff. I can see a target of 28. So nothing is happening unless and otherwise something magic happens with BTC. These coins won't move at all. Let's see XRP. Yesterday there was XRP pump. Let's see XRP. Okay, cool. XRP rejected at 200 AMA. Literally, it's just few cents, and this is not kind of a. People sold XRP. May probably people would have got XRP 50 cents. They would have sold here because it's like 50 percentage profit, right? So who wants to lose their profit? So obviously they would have took profits. Some people took profits. Some people are just holding, I believe. They are, yeah, as a trader, right? They're looking for this move because it closed above all these three moving averages, key moving averages. So that is a very good sign, which didn't happen for all these days. Okay, but this for this particular month or this particular day, it is happening. So some traders will watch all these things. Some would have took profit, or some would have took like 30 percentage of their position, or 50 or 60 percentage of the position, and they are waiting for this move. If it comes below these things, obviously who are holding remaining position, they will try to sell. Anyhow, they are in profit. Okay, so that's what it is happening right now. If it is try to push, and BTC is also going fine, and a break of 76.95 cents, I am seeing a target of 8728 cents for XRP. And let's see, Litecoin, I think we discussed, BNB we discussed, ETH we will discuss, ETH USDT. Okay, ETH, wow, ETH again 4 days sitting at the resistance, and I think ETH will push up. So let's wait and see because this happened. It's a good sign. ETH will push up, I believe. If it pushes up, what is the main good thing is like if ETH travels, ETH pumps, all altcoins will get confidence. Okay, so that's where people are waiting for. People can't afford Bitcoin, okay, or Ethereum now. People would have afforded Bitcoin and Ethereum like on 2020 COVID crash, but now it's not possible. Okay, not everyone. Especially India, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you need to spend like 20 lakhs. Okay, it's not possible. So even ETH, if you want to buy, you need to pay around 100 and no, 1,75,000 or something around that. Okay, so or 2 lakhs approximately. So people in India can't buy these things. They can buy on altcoins. So if ETH rallies, altcoins will try to follow that. So ETH looks bullish. Let's see what happens in coming day. But one main concern is like if you see this volume is less. Why? Because people are losing confidence on Bitcoin. Okay, so this is the main concern I'm seeing for past 2 days, yesterday and even today. Okay, volume is very less. We need good volume. Something like this will help us. If you see Rune, whatever I told, Rune was like we had a very good volume today. It was something like this. It was up to here. But same kind of volume happens to Ethereum. We have like still 10 more hours. It can push if it closes above this resistance and this Bollinger Band. I'm pretty bullish. I'm seeing a target of 2582. Maybe like next to we'll see a 10 percentage or 8 percentage from pump from here. Okay, for ETH. And next we'll see Solana. Why? Because Solana has a very good use cases, and it is compared to ETH. Okay, so if a AXX coin can move to $50, okay, from 4 to 50, this can move to 200 easily. It is again consolidating above 8 EMA. We need volume. I think people are buying because we got support by 200 EMA. That's a very good sign. We need at least some this kind of candle to gain some confidence that Solana is moving at least up to this 50 EMA, that is like $32. Exactly, if you want to say 31.98. Okay, so Solana is a very good project of FTX, so we can see those things happening in future. FT USDT, you know, FTT USDT is like FTX token. Okay, see here, simple. As I was saying, it crossed 34 and 50. People took profit at 200 EMA or Bollinger Band, whatever it is. 200 EMA is a very good sign to take profit. We need some volume. Volume comes, done. We are pumping for sure. FTT, we are pumping. I am seeing a target of 37, like around 15% from now. Any bad thing or any speculation against BTC, again entire market will come like this. If nothing is happening and we are having good volume on BTC, I'm expecting a market to go to next resistance. That's on FTT. Let's see whether we have any chats. No one is chatting. Okay, I think we are good with today's analysis. If you guys try to subscribe my channel, as I used to say, I'm sorry, I'm not a financial advisor, so try to understand what I'm saying, and you can always learn. Make sure that whatever I'm saying is correct or not. Authenticate it, as you say, authenticate it, and make sure that it is a what to say, mainly authenticated. Whatever I'm saying is like mainly authenticated, and make sure that you guys are learning and trading happily and earn some good money, at least some money. Okay, not good money or great money or greedy money, at least some money to for us, because we people like middle class people need some kind of support to for either for our children or someone. So try to learn, and at least you can make some profits. Okay, I want to check some good stakeholders like Amaraj Batteries for India. Okay, these guys are like whenever EV comes to India, okay, if these guys are like main stakeholders, these guys are supply guys. Okay, Amaraj Batteries, if you see example, I can show you from here. Whenever this 8 EMA crossed below 200 moving average, price was declining. You can see this. Okay, price was declining. Okay, when it will reverse, we can wait, let it decline, let it decline, let it decline to the core. Either it goes to 300 or 200, let it decline. But if you see, this is what had happened for BTC a month ago. It was keep on declining. Now what happened, we got a reversal, and this moving averages started going upwards. So that's where we need to buy these type of stocks. Okay, so suppose assume that, so maybe in around $500, 500 rupees, sorry, around 500 rupees it is getting bottom, and we are seeing a reversal pattern. If you see 500 rupees, we are buying 500 rupees, suppose 500 around to 800. We'll get like easily 40 percentage return. Okay, so these are the type of charts, and this is a very good company. It's like, Amron batteries and all those things you would have seen in videos. It's a very good company. So these are the type of charts you need to concentrate and wait for the. You need have a lot of patience. Okay, you need to have a lot of patience. You need to wait for the moment to buy the dip. There is no volume. Whenever a green candle pops in at lower price, that's the time you need to enter. If you enter early, try to average it. Usually they will say dollar cost averaging. Here you can say rupee cost averaging. Average it and trade the pattern. Trade the charts based on volumes as well as the candlesticks and moving averages. We can make easy and very good return on this type of stocks. Because let me move to weekly chart. Okay, I will give you an example. What happened on COVID crash on 23rd March? It went all the way to 353. Okay, from 353 it went to 1044, around $1,000. It's like 300% return. Maybe I can exactly say what is the price from here to the top. Sorry, not 300, it's like 188, 200% return. Okay, 188. Okay, we are getting one more chance. Okay, it's not like one more chance. Let's see, let's calculate from here. If you buy into this, we'll get like 40% return. I'm saying we don't want to buy it like right now. Okay, there are major support which is at 625. If we fail 625, next major support is 490. Okay, so we can wait. This is a bearish candle. This weekly candle is a bearish candle. Okay, we can wait and see. And sarcastic RSI is like $4, almost down, but RSI looks bearish. It needs to reverse. If it needs to reverse, it needs to start reverse from next week. We need this type of green candle to make sure that this is getting reversed. So if you see here, what happened? 80 EMA, this green line crossed below 200 EMA on last week. So that's why we are seeing a declining in price. People who knows trading, they would have placed a bid at 685 or this support 660, and they will have a plan. Okay, for sure they will have a plan. If it is coming below 660, they would have placed 625. Those are the places it will come, and people try to buy the dip and travel around 40% up. Okay, so be careful with those trades, but these are the signs we need to watch. Okay, I think I covered. Maybe I can check Exide also. Exide also fall today. Most of the battery stocks came down today. See what happened. Exide is below 200 EMA for. Okay, let's go to daily chart. We don't want weekly chart. Okay, this 200 EMA cross below 200 EMA. See, it is exactly at support. People will try to buy this support, and it is near the Bollinger Band. People will try to buy the support. Okay, so be careful. Not be careful. These are the time where people will try to accumulate the coins. So better wait for tomorrow and see what happens to Exide. So if Exide tries to reverse from here, I am seeing a easy target of maybe like 5%. That's a good target. 5% is fine. If you put 1000, maybe in 5 days or 10 days, you will get 50 rupees. 10,000 is 500 rupees. Okay, no one will give that. So within days of time. So make small profits and accumulate it. For sure, you will have very good money. Okay, so I think today I covered a lot of charts. If you guys have any question, try to comment on my channel. Don't take me as a financial advisor, and I didn't wrote any exam with SEBI. So make sure that whatever I'm trying to teach you guys or trying to understand is like you guys understand from this video, and make some money. That's what I would say. Thank you all. Thanks for your support, and subscribe my channel and try to share the same with your friends and neighbors or family. Okay, thank you all.